again! Merry Christmas! Now it's time to open our gifts. Okay, let's start with the small one. So, here. Oh. I got... What's this?
AirPods, Pixel Pods.
Yay! Thank you! And then, the next one is we have... Ooh, what's inside? Yay! I got my GoPro 10! Wow! So this one I can use for vlogging. Okay? So watch out for our vlogs. I'm going to show you some of our beautiful places here. And then, let's try to open how small it is. So I really want to have this GoPro because it's, according to them, it's easy to use than using my phone because it might break when I drop it. Ooh! Look! Look! It's too small! This is GoPro 10! Look how small it is! Next time, I'm going to... Okay, let's take it out. Here. And then, look, GoPro. GoPro! This is good for vlogging. I'm excited. Look at this, how small it is. Oh, thank you Santa for my GoPro. Okay, so this is the case. So maybe next time I'm going to show you. This is how to the kit for what about this product, and this is how to use this product. So I just want to show you this one. So this is for vlogging, and you can use also for under the water. So that's all guys. I got GoPro for Christmas 2022. Merry Christmas. Bye.